The Lincoln Nautilus, a prominent figure in the luxury SUV arena, faced rumors of its discontinuation. Yet whispers in the wind hinted at its rebirth. But what's the truth? Let's reveal the freshest news about the Nautilus, delve into its prospects for 2024, and explore what's cooking inside the headquarters of Lincoln Nautilus manufacturers. Plus, if there's a hint of a new design direction, what can we expect if such changes are on the horizon? Stay with us to uncover the future of the Lincoln Nautilus and if it's the best new luxury SUV on your shopping list. Or is it even there on the shopping list anymore? Rumors were flying around that the Nautilus might be sailing into the sunset, especially when we heard whispers about the Ford Edge, its platform buddy facing a similar fate. Many believe that a shift in market demand and the rise of electric and hybrid vehicles might be sidelining traditional models like these. Some even thought the declining sedan sales, a segment Lincoln once dominated, might indirectly affect their SUV lineup. But amidst these speculations, there were also hushed conversations of a potential revival. Insiders hinted at closed-door meetings, secret prototypes, and a possible game-changing announcement from Lincoln's top brass. The question on everyone's lips, is the Nautilus truly at the end of its journey, or is there a twist in the tale awaiting us? Remember the luxurious comfort of Lincoln's classic town car? Picture that elegance potentially being reimagined in an SUV form. The whispers surrounding the 2024 Nautilus suggest it might bridge the gap between old-world glamour and modern sophistication. But the burning question remains. Will it truly capture the essence of both eras, or will it chart a course that's uniquely its own? Hold on to your seats, because 2024 has thrown us a curveball. Far from fading into obscurity, Lincoln has brought the Nautilus back into the spotlight. Drumroll, please. The Nautilus hasn't just been spared from the chopping block, it's been reborn, reimagined, and revamped. Now sitting on a cutting-edge platform, this is not just a revival, it's a revolution. The Nautilus is back, and it's bolder than ever. So the question is the revamped 2024 Lincoln Nautilus the best new luxury SUV to buy? Well, its offerings do make a strong case, but how? If there's one thing that makes a car stand out, it's what's ticking beneath its shell. The 2024 Lincoln Nautilus doesn't just impress, it powers through with style. Under the hood of the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus is a revamped 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder beast. And it's not any ordinary engine. It churns out a substantial 250 horsepower combined with 275 pound-feet of torque. But there's more to this story than raw numbers. This latest engine isn't merely an upgrade in power, it represents a leap in innovation. It operates with a level of sophistication and smoothness previously unseen. So while cruising faster, you'll notice less of the rumbles, shakes, or unwanted noise that older engines might emit. Linking this beast of an engine to the wheels is the next piece of the puzzle. The new 10-speed automatic transmission, which is also more efficient and responsive than the previous transmission. It shifts gears quickly and smoothly, and it helps the Nautilus to accelerate quickly and efficiently. So not only is the Nautilus packing more punch and running more efficiently, but it's also setting a new benchmark in ride quality and driver experience. And that's not only by its engine, which is just the beginning. Wait until you see what jaw-dropping features else it has up its sleeve. Imagine driving through rush hour traffic, yet feeling miles away from its chaos. The Nautilus, with its adaptive suspension with road preview, provides a floating-like ride, cocooning you from the bustle, allowing you to waft over rough patches, and drowning out the relentless honks of the city. The adaptive suspension with road preview system uses sensors to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension accordingly. This helps to smooth out bumps and provides a more comfortable ride. The system also considers the vehicle's speed and steering input to provide the best ride quality. For example, if you're driving on a highway and make a sudden lane change, the adaptive suspension will stiffen the suspension to help the car maintain its composure. Now, shifting gears to the exterior, have you noticed the fresh face of the Nautilus? It's got a new front grille that is larger and more imposing than the previous model. The grille is also flanked by new headlights that are more angular and aggressive. These headlights are not just fancy LED ones, but smart too. They can change their shine to help drivers see better in different situations. Then, at the back, the new taillights on the Nautilus are also LED and feature a unique design. They are also full width, which gives the Nautilus a more modern look. The Nautilus also gives you choices for your wheels. You can pick from different designs in 19-inch, 20-inch, or big 22-inch sizes. But there's more. It has a huge sunroof to let you see the sky, a trunk door that opens without using your hands, and a rear spoiler that you can move up or down. Cool, right? Just when you think you've seen it all, brace yourself up for what awaits inside, because that's where the real glory of the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus lies. The 2024 Lincoln Nautilus stands out, not just for its exterior prowess, but for its thoughtfully designed interior as well. When you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and luxurious setting, indicative of Lincoln's commitment to quality and comfort. The first impression is always crucial. The interior consists of high-quality materials throughout. Premium soft leather on the seats, real wood pieces, and shiny metal touches inside the car give it a sophisticated feel. Both front and rear passengers can enjoy ample legroom and headroom, ensuring comfort even on longer drives. When you're inside the Nautilus, you quickly realize it's not just about looking good, but feeling good too. Starting with the seats, this model comes with heated and ventilated seats. Yes, you heard it right, they can warm you up or cool you down, depending on the weather. And imagine holding onto a steering wheel that warms your hands on those chilly mornings. Coming forward, the big 13.2-inch screen in the middle, it's not just for show. It's super user-friendly and lets you pick songs, find places on a map, or even connect your phone using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And one of the coolest things? It has its own Wi-Fi, so everyone in the car can browse the internet or stream movies without using phone data. But wait, the surprises do not end here. Hold on to your seats because what's coming next will redefine your definition of in-car entertainment. The sound system is top-notch for music lovers, making your favorite songs sound even better. The premium sound system in the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus is a REVIVE Ultima 3D audio system with 28 speakers. The system includes a subwoofer, tweeters, and mid-range speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin to create a surround sound experience. The REVIVE Ultima 3D audio system also includes several features that help to improve the sound quality, including Clarify. It works wonders by restoring high-frequency details often lost in compressed audio files. Quantum Logic Surround 3D. This feature creates a 360-degree soundstage that makes you feel like you're in the middle of the music. Acoustic Lens Technology. Experience the precision as it focuses the sound on specific cabin areas so everyone can enjoy the music. The REVIVE Ultima 3D audio system is among the best sound systems in a luxury SUV. It provides a clear, powerful, and immersive sound experience that will please even the most discerning audiophile. Now, you may wonder if the sound system is the most attractive feature of the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. No, folks, that's just a refresher. Stay with us to know the real amazing change that made us genuinely awestruck while reviewing it. Enter the future with BlueCruise 1.2 technology, a hands-free driver assistance system that's the real game changer in the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. It's like having your own co-pilot, especially on certain pre-qualified highways known as hands-free blue zones. When you activate BlueCruise, you get to do something that's always been a dream for drivers, taking your hands off the wheel while the system takes charge. But how does it do this safely? Well, BlueCruise 1.2 is a high-tech wizard. It uses many sensors like cameras, radar, and LiDAR to keep an eye on everything around the Nautilus. Plus, it's not just relying on its eyes. It has a super accurate map to track exactly where the vehicle is. Once you're cruising with BlueCruise, it's like having a super smart chauffeur. The system keeps your Nautilus in the lane and ensures you're safe from the car in front. Need to slow down or speed up? No worries, it's got your back. BlueCruise will automatically take care of the brakes and the gas pedals so you can relax and enjoy the ride. And now, let's dive into some fascinating facts about the Lincoln Nautilus that you might not know. 4. Ever wonder where the name Nautilus comes from? It's actually derived from the Greek word nautis, which means sailor. The name was carefully chosen for the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus to reflect its luxurious, comfortable interior, powerful engine, and all-wheel drive system. 3. Safety is a top priority, and the Nautilus boasts an impressive 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. That means it's designed to keep you and your passengers well protected. 2. Did you know that the Nautilus is one of the most popular luxury SUVs in the United States? It's a favorite among those who value style, comfort, and performance. 1. The Nautilus was a trendsetter for Lincoln, being the first vehicle in the lineup to offer the brand's innovative perfect position seats. With an incredible 30 adjustable positions, you can find the perfect setting for your ultimate comfort. These captivating facts showcase the Nautilus's rich history, commitment to safety, and dedication to delivering a truly luxurious driving experience. So whether you're cruising down the highway with BlueCruise 1.2 technology or simply enjoying the comfort of those perfect position seats, you're experiencing a vehicle with an impressive legacy of excellence. So the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus emerges from whispers of discontinuation as a true luxury SUV contender. It sets a new standard with a powerful yet refined engine, innovative technology like BlueCruise 1.2, and a lavish interior. These updates and its rich history and safety credentials position the Nautilus as an enticing choice in the ever-evolving world of luxury SUVs.